A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 students. I am Ms. Shweta Mishra and I am going to teach you science today. So as you all are knowing, we have started a new chapter in the science, that is chapter number 12, weather. So let's start with this chapter, and I hope all of you have done the homework that was given to you in the book in the previous classes. So now we are going to start with this chapter and you all are going to do the reading of this chapter with me. So let's start. First of all, we are going to see the different type of weathers, that is rainy, sunny, windy, foggy, cloudy, snowy. There are so many type of weathers. So we are going to start with this chapter. First of all, knowing what is weather. Okay, we are going to study about weather. So we are going to know, we have to know what is weather. So what is weather? Day-to-day condition of air at a particular place is known as weather. Weather does not remains constant. That means it is not sure that today it is hot, tomorrow also it will be hot only. Maybe tomorrow it will be cold, maybe tomorrow it will rain. So that is what we say as weather. We don't know about weather. We cannot make sure that tomorrow also the same weather will remain. So that is weather. It is day-to-day condition. We don't know about tomorrow's weather. Okay. So that is what we know as weather. Let's see in a different type of weathers. Sunny or hot weather. Some days of the year are very hot. We like to stay indoors and have fruit juices, ice creams, etc. and go out for swimming. Now during hot seasons, what do? We remain inside the houses, in the AC, in the fans, near the coolers. And what happens? We like to drink cold drinks, right? We like to eat ice creams to keep our body cool, right? We drink cold water taken out from the fridge, right? And then we go out for swimming also, because that cools our body. Water is cool and that cools our body. So we do all these things to stay cool in sunny weather. Okay, sunny or hot weather. Now what happens that we all it is so hot outside that the sun shines very brightly. The sun shines very brightly, and that makes it a hot or sunny weather. Coming to the next one, let's see the reading of the chapter. We are going to read the chapter as well. Weather changes from day to day. Some days are hot while some days are cold. On some days it rains while on some other days it is dry and windy. Some days of the year are very hot. We call them summer season. The sun shines brightly. We wear light cotton cloths to keep ourselves cool. We like to have plenty of water, fruit juices, and ice cream. We like to stay indoors. We like to go swimming on warm days. Okay, we all are knowing what we like to do, and especially we like to wear light cotton cloths because they keep us cool during this season, this weather. Cold weather. Some days of the year are very cold. We like to drink hot tea, coffee, and soup during this weather. Now, our body is cool and then we need something hot. And what can be good than soup, coffee, or tea, right? So, we prefer drinking them during this cold weather, and we like to eat hot food, especially hot food, right? We don't like cold foods and during cold weather. So, we like hot foods and we go near and sit near a heater or blower to keep ourselves warm, right? And bonfires especially. Cold days. Some days of the year are very cold. We call it winter season. We wear woolen cloths to keep ourselves warm. We like to have hot food and drinks on a cold day. We use room heaters to keep our house warm. Sometimes cold wind blows. They make the weather very cold. So that is known as cold weather. Okay, and because the weather is very cold outside and we don't have anything else to do, we sit inside the house and we sit near the heaters. Next is cloudy weather. The sun hides behind the clouds and does not appear to us. The sky is filled with clouds, right? You can see in the picture as well, the sky is filled with cloud. That means it is a cloudy weather, and you cannot see sun properly during this weather because there are lots of clouds and sun hides behind them. Next is rainy weather. When the sun shines during rain, we can see rainbow. Rain makes the weather cool. Now when it rains, you will see that the hotness of the weather has gone and it remains cool during that weather, during rainy weathers. Okay, and you will see rainbows during this, because when the sun shines brightly when it is raining, then rainbow forms and you can see a beautiful rainbow in the sky. So let's do the reading. Here you can see the rainbow, the kids playing, all of them you can see during rainy weather. Cloudy and rainy weather. On some days it rains heavily. We call it as rainy season. The sky is covered with dark clouds. The sun hides behind the clouds and does not appear to us. Rain makes the weather cool. Sometimes when the sun shines brightly, the sun shines through the rain. We see a rainbow in the sky. We wear a raincoat and gumboot or carry an umbrella when we go out in the rain. We play with paper boats. Now you all know that when it rains and the water are that locked near their potholes, then what do? We make paper boats and play with them, right? And we always carry a raincoat, umbrella, or gumboots to protect us from getting wet during this weather, right? Next is windy weather. On some days, wind blows very fast. A windy day is mostly cool. We like to stay indoors. Okay, all we know is that wind blows very fast, and we like to stay indoors during this weather. It makes the day cooler, but we like to stay indoor in the houses only. Let's see the seasons. What are seasons? So first of all, let's know what is season. The time of the year when one type of weather stays for many days is known as season. Now weather is for the day-to-day condition, but season remains for a longer period of time. Maybe for a month, 2 months, 3 months. So the same type of weather remains for 2 or 3 months. That is known as season. Okay, if it is cold weather, so cold weather will remain continuously for 2 or 3 months, then it will be known as season. Okay, nowadays we are having winter season, then we will be having our spring season, then we will having our summer seasons, right? So let's see the different seasons. Summer season, it is the hottest season of the year. People like to wear cotton clothes, go for swimming, like to eat ice creams, like to drink cold drinks, so and wear light cotton cloths to keep ourselves cool, right? Next is winter season. It is the coldest season of the year. People wear warm woolen clothes, stay near heaters, blowers, bonfires, and we like to eat hot food. We like to drink hot coffee, hot tea, right? Next one is autumn season. Trees shed their leaves during this season. It comes just before the winter season. Now all the trees shed their leaves, okay? And then what happens? That it after autumn, what comes? Winter season comes. Next is, and it is almost similar like spring, that the weather is not too hot, not too cold, okay? Next is monsoon. It rains heavily during this season. People use umbrella, raincoats, gumboots, etc. And we play with paper boats, right? And we mostly stay inside. And when we are having very important work, then only we go outside. So it is the monsoon season. Next is spring season. It is the most pleasant season of the year. It is also known as the king of seasons. It is neither too hot nor too cold. As you all are knowing that spring season comes just after winter season and before summer season. So that makes it the most pleasant season of the year, when the weather is not too hot, not too cold. Okay, and there are so many flowers blooming around. So that is known as spring season. Let's do our work today. The first one is question number A. That is, tick the correct answer. So let's see. On a hot day, we wear, what do we like to wear during hot days? Cotton cloths, because they keep us cool. Next question is, on a rainy day, we wear what do we like to wear during rainy days? Raincoats, because they protect us from getting wet, right? Now, when we are wearing a cap, it will not protect us from getting wet during the rainy days. And even the muffler, they all will get wet. But raincoat will protect us from getting wet. So, raincoat. Third one is, on a windy day, we like to go for a picnic, play badminton, stay at home. So, what do we like to do during windy days? We like to stay at home during windy days, right? We like to stay at home during windy days. So, it is stay at home. The sky is covered with dark clouds on during which day? Sunny day, cold day, or rainy day? So cold day is also having cold weather. It's not that the sky is covered. It without covering the sky also it can be cold, and sunny also. It can be sunny without covering the sky with the clouds. But during rainy days, what happens that the sky is covered with dark clouds. Okay, the sky is covered with dark clouds, and it rains also. Maybe sometime it rains, or maybe sometime it does not rains. But mostly during rainy days, the sky is covered with dark clouds. Dark clouds that brings rain. Next is fun time. So here we have to choose the correct season, like which day it is. Color the correct cloud. Jack wants a glass of cold water. And on which day we like to drink cold water? Hot day. So you will color this cloud. Jill doesn't want to get wet. She takes an umbrella with her. During which day? Windy or rainy? So it is rainy. During rainy only we don't want to get wet and we carry an umbrella, right? Then Jack wears his new jacket. During which? Hot day. On hot day, do we wear jackets? If we wear jackets during hot day, what will happen? We will become so sweaty, right? It will start sweating. So, during which day we like to wear jackets? During cold day. Now, Jill wants to have some hot soup. During which day? Cold day. Okay, during cold days only, we like to drink hot soups, tea, coffee, right? So, cold day. Then, coming to the next one, let's see that is life skills. So, first one is that we should always help people around us. For example, on a hot day, if you see someone thirsty and sweating a lot, you can ask your parents to give him some cold water to drink. You should also keep some water outside your home for birds and animals on hot and sunny days. Now, this is something that everyone can do. You can keep a glass of bowl of water outside your home, because there are so many animals that don't get water to drink, so they will drink that water. And if you find someone thirsty, if you're having water, just give them to drink. That's something good that everyone can do, right? So we should do that. Next one is, which of these are good habits? Pick the right option. So first of all, let's read. First one is, Sumitra keeps some grains and water outside her house. Ritesh fills water in bottles and keep them in refrigerator. Nilesh sometimes switches off the heat blower with wet hands. On a rainy day, Radhika removes her shoes outside the living room when she enters the house. Now you can see that out of this, first one, that is Sumitra keeps some grains and water outside her house. That is a very good thing to do, because when we keep them, the birds or the animals that are thirsty, they can come and eat them. So we should do that. Next is, Ritesh fills water in bottles and keep them in refrigerator. This is also a good habit. We should do that, right? Third one is, Nilesh sometimes switches off the heat blowers with wet hands. As we have already studied in chapter number 10, keeping safe, that we should never touch electric switches or wires with wet hands. So this is not the correct one. So we are not going to take that one. And the fourth one is, on a rainy day, Radhika removes her shoes outside the living room when she enters the house. This is a good habit, because when it is raining, there are mud outside, right? And if we wear the shoes inside the house will also become dirty. So it is good to open the shoes outside the living room only, so that the house will not be dirty. So these 3 points are the correct one. 1, 2 and 4 are the good habits, and 3 is not a good habit. So you're going to do this. Next homework is that you have to do in copy. Write the name of 5 different weathers. That is sunny weather, cold weather, windy weather, rainy weather, and cloudy weather. So you're going to write these 5 weathers in your copy, and you will draw pictures as well related to this. You can see the pictures in the here also. That is rainy. You can see, just a minute, I'll show you. You all can see. This is rainy, this is cloudy, this is sunny, this is windy. So you can draw all these, okay, with the name. You will draw the pictures as well and color it. So I hope everyone understood this. Thank you everyone, and have a great day. Thank you.